Hello, so it's Valentine's Day, it's coming. The shops are full of symbols and love tokens, many of them heart-shaped. And it's no accident that the heart, to many poets since time immemorial, it's been the heart that symbolised love. Because when we open our hearts and come into a loving space of presence with the other, then we're giving them the biggest gift we could possibly give them. It doesn't cost anything. And so I want to make this video about open-hearted presence and how we can come into that state of consciousness. You know, Shakespeare said, just to paraphrase slightly, love looks not with the eyes, but with the heart mind, and therefore is fair Cupid painted blind. So how do we do this? How do we open heart and start to see with the heart? I would say very important to come into present moment awareness, to just really drop in and allow our sensitivity, our vulnerability, and just to be really, really open and feel this without getting into thinking too much about the future or the past, without being attached to end goals, without judgment of ourselves or others. Let go of judgment and just really dropping in to this moment, knowing that the heart is opening this tremendous field of consciousness, of enabling ourselves and the other to really drop into our inner being. It's a tremendous gift to give. And of course this is a practice. You don't have to be in a relationship to open the heart. You can open it when you're on your own. Give yourself loving attention. Bring loving awareness to yourself. Or when you're out in nature, just really look at the trees and the clouds and the sky with an open heart. But it's a practice that we can develop stronger and stronger. And so really tremendous shift of consciousness that we can bring through this. So I wish you very good medicine with this, and thank you.